That's crazy. That is crazy good. Hey guys, so just jumping on here quick to purchase another challenge with the 60% discount. So I'm using Flash 60, but by the time this video uploads, that may have expired. But it's worth giving it a try if it hasn't. And if you are interested in doing one of these challenges, there is a link in the description below where you can sign up to Clarity Traders and sign up to one of these challenges basically. So what I'm going to be doing with this challenge is I'm going to be trading the London session on my own in the mornings, just to see if what I'm learning I can replicate and, hopefully do well. Right. So I'm going to be trading London session on one account, and then on the other account I'm going to be trading with Mamba on NASDAQ and US 30 like I have been. So this is going to be a whole new challenge series. So yeah, wish me luck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy another 25k account with the 60% discount, which is always handy. Okay, payment has been successful. We are in with our second challenge account. It's a shame you can't rename them. But there we go. So this is my NASDAQ one. This is going to be my London session one, not NASDAQ, sorry, New York session. So tomorrow morning, I imagine I'll probably start kicking the things off. If not, we'll start on Monday. So today is a Thursday. If we don't do it tomorrow, we'll start on Monday. So yeah, look out for that coming series, which is going to be this series I'll talking on. So that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in following along and seeing if I can implement what I've learned and turn this account into an actual funded account, then please do like and subscribe to the channel and the video. It does mean a lot. All your support and comments have meant a lot so far, and I'm really appreciative. And hopefully we can continue to not only grow the channel and grow a little community, but also help each other along the way with tips, tricks, and advice. So I'll talk to you later. Good morning, gang. It is the first day of trading London session on my own. Just woken up, a bit behind time. So I'm going to make a coffee. So we're going to be trading UK 100, France 40, and possibly German 40, which is DAX. So we're going to be looking at those I'm talking Forex there. We're going to be looking at those indices and seeing if we can have a good morning with the new challenge account that we just purchased last night with our 60% discount from Clarity Traders. If you are interested in getting a funded challenge account, do click on the link in the description for Charity Traders. Oh, it's early. But it's not early, I just overslept, had a late night. So hopefully I'm going to be on it today, sharp. So we're going to try and do the London session this morning with the new funded account. And then we're going to try and do New York session later today with the old challenge account, which is in the other video series. So there'll be two video series. There'll be the London session one, and then there'll be the live trading with Mamba video series moving forward. So yeah, fingers crossed it goes well. I'm going to try and be a bit more conservative with when not conservative, more on the ball when I close trades. So I'm not gonna hold it for too long. If it's in profit and it's making a decent amount, then just close it out. I'll take the profit and be happy with that, because it normally, from what I've discovered, does tend to go against me if I leave it too long. So I'm not gonna do that. Right, anyway, we're gonna make this coffee. I'm gonna do trading in bed this morning with my partner. Well, she probably watches TV and I'm trading, and then we'll get on with the day. So yeah, we will see you on the charts. Okay, so we're on the charts and on the 15-minute time frame on UK 100, and the markets look super choppy, right? So I'm just gonna mark up what I can. So I'm just gonna mark up what I think could be areas of interest. could be one. Something there. Nothing overly confident on DAX here. I might avoid that one today, because I don't know really what this one's doing. How's that look? Not the best. I imagine this gap needs to get filled there. So yeah, they're the three we're going to try and keep an eye on. So we sit and we wait. We're live. Markets are open. Let's get some movement. Right. Take a small sell position here. We're in. That was quick. What I need to do is set the stop loss to there. I took it because it was a big push, so we'll see. This one pushes up again. Think about taking that one. Next is thinking about it. Just keep an eye on that one. That candlestick there, that shape normally signals a sell position. Go in. Ooh. What I need to do is look at the charts and not the numbers. Well, this is kind of bouncing around here, then if it's going to break out or not, so we'll keep an eye on that. I'm just going to see how it pans out. In theory, with this size of account, probably should only take one trade at a time, but you're going to see how it plays out. Day one, challenging. First thing in the morning. I haven't had my coffee. UK 100 isn't doing much. Taxes in the green. It gets to this zone. We'll take half the profit and break even. Partial close, take some profit, and then set to break even. We might look for a re-entry. Bounces off this area here on the 1 minute. Which it seems to be doing. Let's take a partial of that. That's a big trade. And we're going to set to break even now. So yeah, absolutely smashed that. That's probably the crazy lot size that did it, but we'll take it. Very happy with that. Now at break even, so all is good. We can just let that play out, that trade, and then we'll look at UK 100. Well, UK 100 doing nothing today. Absolutely nothing. France 40. Bouncing around. DAX has done us proud there. So we're in break even. Anything that happens now, we're laughing. Might even do another partial trade. Sorry, I just cut out. Like, if this was a real account, I'd be over the moon. Like, absolutely over the moon. I mean, it's a real account, it's a challenge, isn't it? So, you've got to treat it like a real account. But, yeah, crazy. Crazy good day. Kind of hope DAX is going to keep pushing, but it's now looking like it's going to the upside. So, we'll hit the break even, which will be disappointing. But, still happy with how it's gone. That was a good re-entry. So I dropped down to the 1 minute, and I could see it was rebounding off these 1 minute support zones. So I jumped in here, took the partials, and away we went. So yeah, really happy with that trade. Obviously trade on my own without any support. So thrilled. Obviously the lot size was quite large. I actually thought that was a lot size. I used a lot size calculator over here, but turns out I don't think that's quite right. Slight difference in the volumes, right? So that's something I do need to work on, because that, although it's gone my way, it's also really risky and could easily make you blow your account. I'm not sure. Let's look at the 1 minute and see if it's just hanging around this zone here. So what I'm gonna do is take another partial. So what's? Oh no! Hold on, it's broken through. Ignore that. Oh, it hasn't broken through. Oh, I think it might. I guess to zone 2, that'd be great. Look at that. I think. I think I'm going to set my stop loss to there and just let it run. Both in profit now. That's crazy. That is crazy good. It's going well, babe. Could pass this challenge in a day, you know, Cam.
Really?
Yeah. Imagine that funded in one day.
Can we come here? Yeah. Go play now.
No. Come with me. Mommy,
See,
I have yet.
it's dropping a bit disappointing. They've got their fronts. What he's doing. Okay. Set this one to break even anyway. So what's that France 40? Dropping a little bit. But whatever happens now, it's been a fantastic day. So over the moon. Like, yeah, it doesn't get better than that, does it? Like, we're on the verge of nearly passing the funded challenge in one day. Definitely probably did the wrong lot size, but I'll take it. This is what can happen with trading, right? You can have one really good day where you absolutely smash it out of the park, and that's kind of what you want every day. It's a good start to the morning, that's for sure. I mean, I'm thinking, if I hadn't taken the partial out, may have been at the £28,000 mark, grand, dollars even. And it's hovering around this zone, so I think it's probably gonna look to stick around that zone, if I'm honest. France fully closed out. That's a shame. We're just in on DAX right now. Nothing to do with UK. 100 today. DAX. Flying. Kind of hoping it pushes down again. I think it's going to hit my stop loss. Yeah, it did. Oh well, brilliant. Right, so today we made $1,344. So we are absolutely buzzing with that. In and out, 25 minutes. What a great day, right? So that was the London first day trading London session on my own, and I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, brilliant. Later on, going to attempt New York session on my own for the other challenge series, but this challenge series it's got off to a flyer. Happy with that. Alright, I will see you in the next video.